Good people of YouTube, what's up? This is Nicole Tatum. Hope everybody having a good day. CEO of CTB Clothing Co. just back with another tutorial video. Actually, this is going to be our first tutorial video of many that we have to come. But today, I don't know if you noticed by the way that we had these bundled up, but we're going to be experimenting with tie-dye today. Tie-dye socks is going to be our task. This is a tie-dye kit that we're going with. We're not going to go crazy with all these colors today that's in the kit, but we're going to experiment with majority of the colors that we have. Our project that we decided to go with, we have the Nike Everyday Cushion Performance Socks. We do have both the large and the medium size. These are going to be available for sale on our website. All right, so we're back with the steps. First things first, you got to have them gloves on. If you don't have your gloves on, the dye would definitely stain your fingers. But if you don't care, go for it. I think the stain probably only lasts for like a day or two. Don't quote me on it, just my opinion. We have our adult socks. We're just going to go ahead and submerge these in the water. Bring them out nice and good. Different combinations and techniques of socks. Let's see. So the fun part, we done added the water to the tie-dye, so you pretty much just want to shake it, make sure there ain't no dry dye still left at the bottom, like this one. Oh no, we got dye coming out everywhere. Uh-oh, this one's good. I love the glutes. So these are our varieties that we done got together. Looking good. Now we're just gonna put them in a plastic bag. So now I have these Ziploc bags that I'm going to use. Bag them up, let them sit overnight. I rather do it overnight just so I can know that the color's gonna sit in before I rinse it out. All right, now everything's all rinsed out. So we're gonna go ahead and take this on to the washer.